Hello everyone, my name is Akash Sharma. I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and I passed my bachelor degree from ITM University Gwalior. After that, I'm searching for a job, and I hear my friends about the Evision Technoserve. It was a good platform to growing our career. Then I joined our OJT programs, and so where I have built my careers, and now I have learned about things more like window administration, CCA, and many more about networking. And after that, completing the corporate training, I've selected an PC solution, American Express. So Aviation is a good platform to growing our careers. Here our mentors learn with friendly and with well knowledge about the course and with hands-on experience and practicals. And we learn here many more things. So Aviation Technoserve is a great platform to growing our career. Thank you.